Hey you guys, it's Kim G. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this little video. This is gonna be a cooking video. Like, I am hanging out with some neighbors in the building and we all decided to do a little potluck, a little doo-doo. So I opted to bring like 3 things. So I would love to share with you guys my cooking experience. If you're interested in watching a little culinary fun, stay tuned. Yeah, what I love about Whole Foods is sometimes you can go in and just get a little piece of cheese. They have little pieces already cut up. This little bit of Gouda was $1.75, you know? And then I got some soft spread, $5. I mean, cheese is expensive, but I'm liking that I can go in and just get a little bit. For the charcuterie board, the Mediterranean deli stuff, so I got some peppers and some mushrooms, a slab of salami, some strawberries. I was being cheap, I ain't gonna lie, I was being cheap. I didn't feel like buying no crackers from there. Like, I don't know why. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna lightly toast a little bit of this sourdough that I have and just slice it and make little chunks. I mean, it's gonna be a very small board.